So if you really go the whole way and see how you feel at the prospect of vanishing, of all your efforts and all your achievements and all your attainments turning into dust, nothing. What is the feeling? How that is saying the most real state is the state of nothing. But if somebody is going to argue that the basic reality is nothing, where does all this come from?
This year, Thanksgiving looks a little different. We're up in North Georgia, near Blue Ridge, tucked beside the Chattahoochee National Forest. My family and I came out here to slow down for a few days, swap traffic and screens for dirt roads, bonfires, and mountain air. The plan's simple: eat good, spend time together, and explore some of the beauty North Georgia has to offer.
It's different nothing. Once again, you get how it looks behind your eyes. See? So in this way, by seeing that nothingness is the fundamental reality, and you see it's your reality, then how can anything contaminate it? All the idea of your being scared and put out and worried and so on is just nothing. It's a dream, because you're really nothing. But this is the most incredible nothing. So cheer up, you see. The essence of your mind is intrinsically pure.
It's easy to forget that this land has a long story. Long before it was called the Chattahoochee Oconee National Forest, these mountains were home to Native Americans. The name Chattahoochee itself comes from their language, roughly meaning painted or marked stones, taken from the river that starts in these hills. Walking these trails with my family, it hits me that we're just a tiny part of that story, just passing through a place that was here long before us and will be here long after we're gone. Talking about taking the Jeep off-road for a minute, but this was the first real test. No more watching trail videos on my phone, no more saying one day. It was actually happening. Beasley Knob, one of those Jeep badge of honor trails you hear about. Steep climbs, loose rock, and just enough sketchy sections to make you second guess your life choices. Airing down the tires, I could feel the nerves and the excitement fighting for space in my chest. But that's kind of the point. You don't earn a badge for staying on pavement.
rock right. row inside now?
Yeah, to the other side. Okay. Alright, we're good. Do the same thing on that one. Yep. Yeah.
I'm starting to feel this pull toward a slower, more intentional life. Less rushing, more moments like this. Not just living for weekends or vacations, but actually building a life that feels this peaceful on a regular Tuesday. Nights like this remind me of what I'm really chasing. And it's not more stuff. It's more time, more presence, and more nights by the fire. In the end, it's simple. I don't want a busier life. I want a quieter one that actually feels like mine.